Aim Chapali, film Gurinchi, my God, what a journey it has been. Uh, to be honest, to begin with, Nagi sir, thank you for introducing me to Telugu cinema. I became his biggest fan when I saw the first, and in Melbourne, Mahanati, and I just told him what a pedda fan I am when it comes to his craft. And the next thing I know is there is Sita Ramam being made, and he recommending my name to Vaijayanti Films. And to begin as a Vaijayanti heroine, it is an honor. I take immense pride in it, and I feel when in an industry, when in Telugu film industry, when you have Swapna Garu, Priyanka, and Nagi Garu, and Ashwini Dutt sir backing a film, that itself is it's a half winner. You know, the film is already won. The authenticity, the love, the appreciation, and now the support that you guys have given me all throughout my 4 films, it tremendously means the world to me. Thank you so much, Nagi Garu. Swapna, you're the pillar of Telugu film industry. When I go back in Hindi, when people ask me, whose film are you doing? And I say, Swapna Dutt, they say, Ayyo, wow, that's so good. Now when I say Supriya Garu, when I say Supriya, they are like, Mrunal, you're in safe hands. How do you get so lucky, man? And I'm like, I don't know. Like, like Nandini Garu said, I'm a Telugu Ammai. And that's the love that you guys have showered. And I don't know, it's my past life karma that I'm getting this love and appreciation. Just overwhelmed, and I realized that all the 10 years that I've started my journey, all the fights and that I've been through, the struggles, the journey, rejections, it is because for this day, and it is absolutely worth it. Allu sir, you are such a sweetheart. I think all my celebrations you've been a part of, my first Best Actress award was given by you to me. And for you to be here celebrating the success of Decoy truly means the world to me. Vasu sir, thank you. I don't see him here, but honestly, it's so sweet of him to come and talk about the film and the magic that Saraswati has created. To be honest, it is incomplete without the writers, the director, the cinematographer, the editor, the sound, music, BGM. If you take one thing away from me, the film will not land. I think we have today a fantastic team, and we've created some extraordinary, beautiful memories. And I want to give the credit to all you talented people out here for trusting me, because it's been a while that, in my head I used to dream about एक दिन ऐसा आएगा where these filmmakers will trust me and write roles for me. And today when you all say that, when you all give me an opportunity to perform in front of the camera and create magic, my heart just feels like this is what I dreamt of and all my dreams are coming true. To begin with the captain of the ship, Shinil Garu, you were the most calm, patient, and collaborative directors I've ever worked with. I know sometimes I would get like an enthu cutlet and ask you,